वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I am the holistic health coach. Today's Hukamnama from Sachkhand Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar by Bhagat Ravidas ji at tongue 658 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib ji says, जो हम बांधे मोह फास हम प्रेम बंधन तुम बांधे, which means if I am bound by the noose of emotional attachment, then I shall bind you, Lord, with the bonds of love. So Bhagat ji further says, अपने छूटन को जतन करो हम, छूटे तुम आराधे, which means go ahead and try to escape. Lord, I have escaped by worshipping and adoring you. Now let's understand what does this mean for us in real life. See, in daily life we all are tied, some with worry with family, some with career pressure, some with as simple as what others are thinking of me. So these are like ropes that keep us restless most of the times. But Bhagat ji here is saying, if you must be tied, let it be with love, not with fear or attachment. Now think in terms of mathematics. In mathematics, a minus times a minus becomes a plus. In the same way, when your bondage or attachment is tied with divine love, with the divine energy, with Vaheguru, it transforms into freedom. Or let's understand it from physics point of view. Gravity always pulls us down. But if we attach ourselves to the rocket, the same pull actually helps us to escape the space. Our attachments pull us down. But if we tie them to Vaheguru with the divine energy, with love, the same bond lifts us up. Attachment is full of fear. What if I lose? What if it fails? Love is full of freedom. Even if it changes, even if I lose, I'm okay. So the choice is simple. The choice is very simple. If you must hold on with love. If you must be bound by the divine energy, by Vaheguru. So here's the most interesting part. The more you try to escape from worldly attachments, the tighter they hold. But the moment you tie yourself to the divine love, you suddenly find yourself free. Now the big question here is how to be in love with the divine. Otherwise it will just remain as a concept for all of us. So let's understand it in very short. To understand how to be in love with the divine, with Vaheguru, just talk to Vaheguru daily, like a best friend. Trust instead of fearing. See Almighty in people, nature, moments, and understand how life is sinking. And stop controlling, start surrendering. That's how you fall in love with the divine. So today's implementation, or you can say takeaway from today's beautiful Hukamnama by Bhagat Ravidas ji, don't waste your life cutting small ropes of worry one by one. Just tie one strong rope to Vaheguru or the divine energy with love. That's very important, with love. And all other ropes will fall loose. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Tan Bhagat Ravidas ji. Sarbat da Pala. Vaheguru ji ka Khalsa. Vaheguru ji ki Fateh.